Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. To access your diesel filter, you'll need to remove the air filter. Using a socket screwdriver and a Torx T25 socket, completely unscrew the 3 screws on the air filter flange. Lift off the flange. To take it off, incline it slightly and pull towards you. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a T25 Torx bit, unscrew the screw holding the plastic guide located on the filter. Then remove the hose aside. Use your fingers to press on the coloured parts of the connector. Then pull on the hose to disconnect it. Repeat the operation on the other hose. Then, using a socket wrench and a T25 Torx socket, unscrew the first screw holding the diesel fuel filter ring in place. Using a socket wrench, a small extender, a gimbal and a T25 Torx socket, unscrew the second screw on the ring. Move the ring aside. Then with a ratchet and a Torx T25 socket, unscrew the retaining screws on the diesel filter. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the holding screw on the air inlet conduit. Then lift the filter and with a flathead screwdriver, push the electric connector of the filter. You can now remove the filter.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter. Remove the hose cap. Put the filter back in place. Remember to put the electric connector back beforehand. Screw the filter retaining screw back in place. Start by hand and finish using a socket wrench and a Torx T25 socket. Put the ring back in place, then screw the 2 screws back on. Screw the air inlet conduit retaining screw back on. Clip the diesel inlet and outlet hoses back on. Put the hose back in place and screw the plastic guide back on. To put the air filter flange in, incline it so that the interlocking studs go in first. Then push it in so that it presses against the filter compartment. Tighten up the 3 screws. Before starting your vehicle, pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. Reinstall the engine cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.